This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting the multimeter to continuity mode. This lets the meter beep on low resistance. Once set, make the first actionable test. Touch the probes together to confirm a tone or near zero reading, which verifies leads and battery. Then, make sure to isolate the circuit, remove power and discharge capacitors, because continuity checks require unpowered components. Once done, you're ready to place probes on the component or trace you want to verify without risking shorts. With the meter confirmed, you proceed to precise probing. You should place probes solidly on the 2 points you want to test, holding steady to avoid intermittent contact. If the meter beeps and shows low ohms, interpret that as a closed path. If it shows high or infinity, the path is open or very high resistance. Make sure to test both component leads and the PCB traces nearby to localize breaks, and where possible, use clips to keep consistent pressure during longer inspections. To finish, verify suspect findings by retesting nearby pads and swapping probe positions to rule out probe or contact issues. Once done, reconfirm any closed circuits before restoring power, and document your results so you know what changed. If you get no beep when you expect continuity, clean oxidation from contacts, ensure firm probe contact, and check the multimeter battery. A weak battery can yield false opens. Make sure to only power the circuit after your confident connections are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.